Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day. And this one is kind of interesting. This is Alcoa AA, one of the old school stock companies, Alcoa had earnings a little while ago, January 19th, but the interesting thing is the AI picked this up at $68, okay? That was the alert right on that opening 15-minute candle. Came back here, so as I always say, you don't have to get into the alert right at the time. You can always wait to see how it's trading. You notice it pulled back a little bit. You could have got it a little bit earlier, but then it triggered again, and then look at the run it had. Before it really pulled back, it got up to almost $72 from 68, which is a great percentage move. And why it's interesting is that aluminum prices, I think I read, are at the highest it's been since 2007 or 2008, something like that, and almost like I don't know if it's record high prices for aluminum. I do know this, Alcoa though is at a lifetime high. And so somehow the AI was able to spot that, the fact that aluminum prices were really high. And of course, this is going to benefit a company that sells aluminum like Alcoa, one of the biggest in the world, if not the biggest aluminum company in the world. So this definitely, to me, was the stock of the day based on the news and also, of course, the run that Alcoa had. So I want to shut this down, and our test drive fast approaching. Tuesday today, right? Yeah, so Tuesday. The test drive starts on Monday, so you'll see there's a link to sign up for it. It costs you $11.11 for 10 trading days, the 14th to the 28th inclusive. So sign up for it. If you've ever wanted to try out Trade Ideas, this is a great opportunity to do it. I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, and hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.